Hi, I'm Matt from Signaworks. I'm here today to talk to you about the 2-inch bingo board, or BB2. You can find out more about this product as well as our audible and visual signal products and and-on solutions at signaworks.com. The 2-inch bingo board, or BB2, is a polycarbonate enclosure with our PL45L pilot lights mounted on it. We also can provide labeling to denote what the lines or the columns represent. The units are custom made, so we typically size the enclosure to the number of indicators needed. The indicators that can be used are red, amber, green, blue, and clear. We can set up the units so it is controlled by voltage, so 12, 24, 110, or 220 volt inputs would control each of the lights. We also can set them up with more advanced controls where they would be wirelessly controlled, or where and-on lights could have their statuses displayed from a remote location to the BB2 as a central location. We also can integrate in Ethernet communication if needed. I have this unit set up to demonstrate. So here are the red indicators, here are the amber, and here are the green. Once again, we also have blue and clear options available. So with that in mind, please give us a call with your application and we will find a solution for you. Thanks.